In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a listing on the Facebook Marketplace. The first thing you want to do is you want to open up Facebook like you normally would. And the Facebook Marketplace is a built-in feature within the app itself, so you don't need to install any new apps or anything like that. So just open up Facebook like you normally would. Go to the bottom menu and you want to press on this like store icon right over here, and it is going to look something like this. From here, in order to actually begin listing an item, go to the top menu and press over here where it says sell. From here, you're able to select on this button that says create listing. It should be towards the top. Then you're able to select on what type of item you are trying to list. So it could be one item, multiple, a vehicle, a home for sale or rent, a sale event, or a job. So that is 100% up to you. For this video, let's select on one item. From here, you're able to go ahead and add photos and videos of your item. Now, this is incredibly important because this is the thing that customers see first. So you really want to make sure that you actually put in effort in the photo or the video and make sure that you're using good lighting and that it demonstrates the item you're trying to sell to the best of your ability, because that is going to help you get sales significantly. And in terms of how many photos, you can have up to 10 photos and one video with a 1 minute max duration. All right, so let me go ahead and sell some mints on Facebook Marketplace, for example. So let me go ahead and take a picture. Okay, so let's say for this example, we wanted to go ahead and sell these mints. Then we need to give it a title. So let's call it example mints right over here. I'm just using one image, but of course you want to put in more effort. All right, then you want to put in the price. And for this, I'm just going to set it at $1. And then where it says category, you guys are able to go ahead and select on it. So you just want to go ahead and look through here and then select the category that best fits it. So let's select on miscellaneous right over here, but we have things like pet supplies, office supplies, etc. And then where it says condition, you're able to go ahead and select on it. So let's just select on used like new, and then you want to add a description. So for this, I'm just going to put non-applicable. So you can go ahead and put a description, or you could use Meta AI in order to write it for you, and then you should be good to go. Then you guys can also include tags as well, which is incredibly useful and will help people actually find your listing easier. And you guys could hide it from your friends and turn off commenting. So those are options you guys have. Then once you're satisfied, you want to press on next. And then you want to determine the location for it, and you want to determine whether you want a public meetup, door pickup, or a door drop off. Make sure that your location here is 100% correct. You will need to input your zip code, make sure that is correct, and then you're able to select on next. And you can even list it in groups that you are a part of as well, which is another great feature that Facebook offers. But once you're 100% done, then you want to press on publish, and it's going to take a little bit of time just to prove that what you're selling is not in violation of the terms of service, and then you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.